Lesson 7. Food we eat. Let's learn. Mealtime, fast food, table manners. We need food to stay alive. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food helps our body grow well. Food makes our body healthy and strong. We eat different kinds of food. Info Hive. Moong dal is low in fat and very high in protein. Bread, rice, pulse, fish, egg, milk, jam, butter, meat, honey, fruits, vegetables. Some foods give us energy to work and play. Bread, rice, sugar, potato and jam give us energy. Some foods help our body grow. Fish, eggs, pulses and meat help our body grow. Some foods, such as fruits and vegetables, keep us healthy. They save us from diseases. Milk is a complete food. Brain tickler. Which foods should a healthy meal contain? Mealtime. We eat 3 meals in a day. We have our breakfast in the morning. We have our lunch in the afternoon. We have our dinner in the evening. Fast food. Fast food is easy to cook. Children love to eat fast food, but fast food items are not good for health. We should not eat them regularly. Chow mein, burger, pizza, sandwich. Table manners. Here are few tips that you should follow at your dining table. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Take your food in clean plates. Eat slowly. Chew the food well. Never eat uncovered food. Never waste food. Recap. We need food to stay alive. Food gives us energy to work and play. Food helps our body grow well. Food keeps our body healthy and strong. We should not eat fast food regularly.